Welcome to Primetech Automotive YouTube channel. In this video, we dive deep into the disassembly of a Hyundai Accent CVT to uncover the cause of a sudden failure. The car was driving fine when it abruptly stopped with a loud noise, and after some investigation, we discovered a catastrophic input shaft bearing failure. Join us as we break down the entire transmission system, explain how the CVT works, and discuss the common issues that can arise. Let's take a moment to understand what a CVT transmission is and how it differs from traditional automatic transmissions. CVTs are designed to provide seamless acceleration and improved fuel efficiency by continuously adjusting the gear ratio without the noticeable shifts you'd find in conventional gear-based transmissions. Instead of a fixed set of gears, CVTs use a system of pulleys and belts, or chains, to vary the ratio continuously, which allows for smoother power delivery. While this system offers excellent fuel efficiency, it also comes with unique challenges and vulnerabilities. In this video, we'll break down how a CVT transmission operates and the key internal components, including the pulley system, belt, torque converter, and planetary gear sets. These parts work together to give the vehicle its characteristic smooth and consistent power delivery. While CVTs are great for fuel efficiency and offer a smoother ride, they're not without their drawbacks. In this video, we'll compare CVTs to traditional automatics and discuss the key advantages, like fuel savings, smoother acceleration, and better performance in stop-and-go traffic, and disadvantages, including potential durability issues, overheating, and the unique repair challenges they pose. Advantages of CVTs: fuel efficiency, because the engine can always operate in its most efficient RPM range. Smooth acceleration, no noticeable shifts between gears make the ride smoother. Better performance in city driving. In stop-and-go traffic, CVTs maintain the engine's efficiency, reducing the burden of constant shifting. Disadvantages of CVTs: limited power. Handling. CVTs can struggle with higher power outputs, which may cause premature wear in high-performance applications. Maintenance complexity. With their unique design, repairs and maintenance can be more complex and expensive compared to traditional transmissions. Vulnerability to overheating. If not properly maintained, CVTs are more prone to overheating due to the friction created by the continuously adjusting pulley system. One of the most critical aspects of maintaining a CVT transmission is proper fluid maintenance. Unlike traditional automatic transmissions, CVTs rely heavily on the quality of their fluid to keep everything running smoothly. Over time, the fluid can break down, leading to issues like overheating or poor lubrication, which can contribute to catastrophic failures like the one we're addressing in this video. In addition to fluid maintenance, driving habits play a big role in preserving the health of a CVT. Hard accelerations, towing heavy loads, or driving in extreme conditions can all put excessive strain on the transmission, accelerating wear and tear. Now let's get to the core of this video, disassembling the Hyundai Accent CVT to locate the root cause of the failure. We begin by carefully removing the exterior components and gaining access to the transmission housing. As we pull apart the CVT, we'll show you the key internal components and the step-by-step process of diagnosing the input shaft bearing failure. As we disassemble the transmission, you'll see exactly where and how the input shaft bearing failure occurred. This critical part of the transmission plays a pivotal role in ensuring smooth power transfer from the engine to the transmission. When the bearing fails, it can create an unbearable grinding noise, prevent the proper movement of the internal components, and even cause the transmission to seize up entirely. I will demonstrate how we pinpointed the problem, the steps we took to identify the issue, and how it could have been avoided with more regular maintenance. If you own a vehicle with a CVT, you'll definitely want to take note of some valuable maintenance tips we'll share at the end of the video. From monitoring the fluid levels to understanding the importance of a properly functioning cooling system, we'll explain the most common maintenance pitfalls and how to keep your CVT running smoothly for years to come. CVTs rely heavily on transmission fluid to function smoothly. The fluid lubricates the internal components, keeps the system cool, and helps prevent excessive wear. Over time, the fluid can degrade, losing its lubricating properties, leading to friction and heat buildup that can cause serious damage to the transmission. Prevention tip: check the fluid regularly. Follow your car's maintenance schedule for fluid inspections. Many CVT vehicles have a sealed transmission, but it's still important to monitor fluid levels and quality. Change the fluid at recommended intervals. CVT fluid should be changed every 30,000 to 60,000 miles, or according to manufacturer recommendations. Be sure to use the correct type of fluid specified by the manufacturer, as using the wrong fluid can cause damage. Use the right transmission fluid. CVTs use a specific type of transmission fluid that differs from regular automatic transmission fluid, ATF. Some CVTs use a special CVT fluid that has unique properties designed to reduce friction and ensure smooth operation of the pulley system. Using the wrong type of fluid can cause rapid wear of the belts or chain inside the transmission, leading to premature failure. Prevention tip: always use manufacturer-recommended CVT fluid for your specific vehicle. Never substitute with regular ATF or generic fluids unless the manufacturer allows it. Some more tips as follows. Avoid overheating, drive smoothly and avoid rapid acceleration. Avoid excessive towing or overloading. Avoid severe driving conditions. Keep an eye on warning signs. Check and maintain the timing chain or belt. Avoid CVT flushes, unless necessary. Stay up to date with software updates. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Primetech Automotive for more expert automotive repair tips and detailed breakdowns. If you have any questions about CVTs or the issues shown in the video, feel free to leave them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.